Guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading below $20,000. How long will Bitcoin be in this accumulation phase? We have seen Bitcoin ranging since when it bottomed on the 18th of June 2022. Bitcoin has gone to as high as $25,000 and it has come back to as low as 18,100. We have been stuck in a range for more than 117 days. We've taken a look at what Bitcoin did in the previous bottom on the previous bear market. Is the bottom in right now for Bitcoin? We'll also be looking at some other Bitcoin charts, the Bitcoin 200-week moving average heat map. We'll also be looking at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, Bitcoin Rainbow Price Chart Indicator, and we'll also check the Powell multiple. All these charts have shown us when it has been the best time to buy Bitcoin in the past. Will these charts be right now? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Guys, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down really bad. Bitcoin is still down 69.5% from the all-time high in the last 1 year. In the last 1 year, we have seen Bitcoin go to as high as $69,000 and as low as $17,600. Bitcoin found its top in November 2021, and since then, it has just been bloodbath. Bitcoin has been dumping really low, dropping more than 74% from that all-time high in November 2021. But right now, it looks as if Bitcoin is in the accumulation phase. And what's the accumulation phase, guys? The market always goes in cycles. We have 4 stages of the market cycle. Right now, we're in stage 1 of a new bull run. We are in the accumulation phase. And the accumulation phase occurs after the market has bottomed and the innovators and early adopters begin to buy, figuring out the worst is over. We just finished the downward trend. Downward trend occurs when the stock price is tumbling down. In case of Bitcoin, when the crypto price is tumbling down, and that's what just finished happening for Bitcoin. So now we're in the early phases of the next bull run, and this is the time you want to be accumulating Bitcoin. But at what price should you be accumulating Bitcoin? Let's take a look at what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market. We saw Bitcoin drop more than 84% from its all-time high in the previous bear market. And when it got to the accumulation range, Bitcoin was stuck there for over 100 days. Bitcoin went from as low as $3,195 to as high as $4,200. And Bitcoin couldn't get out of this range till accumulation was over. Now, when Bitcoin got out of the range, we saw Bitcoin go from $4,000 to as high as $13,000 and then consolidated again, and we went to set new all-time highs. But it all began in December 2018 after Bitcoin was down more than 83% from its all-time high. And this is not the first time Bitcoin accumulated in the bear market. The previous bear market before the 2018 bear market, that one, the accumulation phase for Bitcoin was longer, but the pump for Bitcoin after the accumulation phase was also longer. In the 2013 bull run, we saw Bitcoin go to as high as $1,187. After that, Bitcoin started dumping, entering the bear market of 2014, finally finding its bottom in January 2015. We saw Bitcoin accumulate for more than 8 months. So Bitcoin can accumulate for a very long time, but the length of the accumulation most times will determine the length of the pump. So if we spend a very long time accumulating, you know that there's a huge pump waiting for us in the other side. In the 2015 bear market, we saw Bitcoin accumulate for more than 249 days. Very crazy. Bitcoin was just ranging from as low as $175 to as high as $307, and Bitcoin was caught in this range for more than 249 days. After that, we saw Bitcoin pump from that low of $214 to as high as $20,000 in December 2017. Bitcoin was basically up only from August 2015 till December 2017. After Bitcoin was done with that accumulation, we saw Bitcoin pumping. From March 2019, Bitcoin went to set new all-time highs, finally ending that cycle in November 2021. Bitcoin went up 1,500%. Right now, we are deep in the bear market, but I believe Bitcoin has bottomed out. I'll be showing you other charts that shows that maybe, just maybe, you want to be getting some Bitcoin right now. Even though Bitcoin has not fallen like we did in the previous bear market where Bitcoin fell more than 83% from its all-time high, this bear market, Bitcoin has only gone down 73% from its all-time high. So if Bitcoin doesn't go lower than that 17,600 and this is the bear market bottom, how long will this accumulation last? Right now, Bitcoin has been ranging since when we bottom for more than 120 days, more than the time we spent in the 2019 bear market bottom. But you might be asking, how do we even know this is the bottom? A lot of people in the market are calling for Bitcoin to go to $10,000, $12,000, and I'll show you why they are calling for that. There's a very strong support for Bitcoin around that $12,000, $13,000 region. If Bitcoin will fall from the all-time high we set in November 2021, it will mean Bitcoin will be down more than 80% from its all-time high, in line with what Bitcoin has done in the previous bear market. But some other charts and indicators are telling us that you won't be going against the crowd right now. If you take a look at Bitcoin's 200-week moving average heat map, anytime Bitcoin comes to the 200-week moving average, that's usually acted as the bottom for Bitcoin in the bear market. It first happened for Bitcoin in 2012. It happened again in 2015. It happened in 2019, 2018. Right now in the 2022 bear market, Bitcoin is actually below its 200-week moving average. Now, full disclosure, this is the first time Bitcoin is going below its 200-week moving average, and the 200-week moving average is acting as resistance. But if you take a look at this rainbow chart, it's telling us that anytime Bitcoin is in the blue region, you want to be accumulating Bitcoin. Now, if you say you don't believe the 200-week moving average, it can be false. Right now, the moving average is acting as resistance. Guys, take a look at what the fear and greed index is actually showing us. Anytime Bitcoin is in this region of extreme fears, anytime a lot of market participants are scared to buy Bitcoin, that's when you want to be buying some Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the last time everybody was scared to buy Bitcoin. Will you have been profitable if you bought some Bitcoin then? In 2019 January, when Bitcoin was bottoming out, when Bitcoin bottomed out in December 2018, Bitcoin's fear and greed index was printing a value of 4. And Bitcoin was accumulating. You can see that we didn't go above a value of 25. We were in this extreme fear region. When finally Bitcoin left that region, we entered towards greed, and a lot of people are shouting to the moon. By then, the accumulation phase was over. Right now, Bitcoin's fear and greed index is showing us values not seen since the previous bear market. We even got to as low as 6. That was when Bitcoin was trading for $19,000. This was on the 18th of June 2022. Bitcoin bottomed that day. We saw Bitcoin even get to as low as $17,000. But right now, the market is stuck in that extreme fear region. So you want to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing. History has shown that if you want to be profitable holding Bitcoin in the long haul, this is where you want to be accumulating some Bitcoin. If we take a look at another Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin Rainbow Price Chart Indicator, right now this indicator is flashing. Maybe you want to be accumulating some Bitcoin. Now, all these colors are showing us where Bitcoin price is relative to whether you want to be buying, whether you want to be selling. When we're at the end of this range, the upper band, you want to be selling because we're in the maximum bubble territory. But when we get to this lower region, that's a fire sale. That's when you want to be buying. And all other times in the past that Bitcoin has gotten to that region has proven to be a good buying opportunity. Bitcoin came down to that region as early as March 2020. And guess what, guys? In March 2020, Bitcoin was trading for around $4,400. If you bought some Bitcoin then, Bitcoin went to as high as $69,000 in the next 609 days. More than a 1,400% increase in the price of Bitcoin. So you want to be paying attention to what all these indicators are showing us. They have been right in the past. Why will they not be right now? If you take a look at the Powell multiple, now this indicator, anytime it shows us that we should be buying Bitcoin, has always been accurate, even during the COVID sell-off. Even in the mini bear market they had in 2021, it showed us that maybe you want to be getting some Bitcoin, and anytime the Powell multiple came to this green region and you bought some Bitcoin, you could have been profitable in the next 2 years. Guess what, guys? If you're thinking long term, if you're thinking like a good investor, you want to be accumulating some Bitcoin right now, the Powell multiple have been flashing. You need to get some Bitcoin since the 13th of July 2022, and the 13th of July, Bitcoin was trading around $20,000. If people are expecting something to happen in the market, you expect that since a lot of people are expecting that thing to happen, we'll probably not see that thing happen, because most times the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. If you take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing in the last 1 month, Bitcoin has gone from as low as $18,290 to as high as $20,400. Bitcoin has a market cap of $369 billion with a fully diluted market cap of $405 billion. Still ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap. Over 3.5 million people have Bitcoin on their watch list. If you want to get some Bitcoin through the bear market, you can get Bitcoin on Binance, on Gate.io, on KuCoin, on Coinbase, on FTX, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Guys, Bitcoin is currently going through accumulation. I just showed you guys how in the previous accumulation phase for Bitcoin, we spent a lot of time, but after the accumulation, we went on a crazy bull run. The accumulation is the first part of a bull market cycle. Right now, we're going through accumulation. Only time will tell if Bitcoin will go below the $17,600 low we set in June 2022. But if we don't go below that level, a lot of people will wish they bought Bitcoin below $20,000, because guys, Bitcoin might probably go above $100,000 in the next bull run. I won't be shocked to see Bitcoin even get to as high as $200,000 in the next bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think the Bitcoin dump in the bear market is over? A lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to drop to new lows in the bear market. Do you think we'll see Bitcoin drop another further 36% in this bear market? Bitcoin has been dropping since November 2021 when we set an all-time high. Bitcoin is down more than 73% from that all-time high. Do you think Bitcoin will drop to 82% from its all-time high in this bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.